Hi, today I'm going to show you Naviate's tools for making changes to multiple sub-assemblies at once. With find and replace sub-assembly values, you can find a value used in any sub-assemblies or combination of assemblies and change the value all at once. So if I now search for everywhere where I'm using the parameter sub-base depth, I can find all the values here. If I only want to change one of them, I can sort on the parameter value, and I'll find only those. If I want to change that, I can add a new value down here, click replace, and all of them are updated. If I want to go back and find the other parameter value, I can update that as well, and we can see that the curve gutters are updated as well. I can also search and replace for codes. So for find and replace subassembly codes, I instead select the subassemblies that I'm after, and then in the dialog I can search for a code. So in this case I'm going to search for subbase, and then I'm going to replace that one to base layer. I use find to see all the places where it's used, and then use replace to replace them in all of the subassemblies at once. As soon as I hit close, we can see that it's updating and the code set style will be implemented.